gara kusodhomu mutanga kutobhilivha kuti anyika yese ngochanzika tseka izvo inongori area uri kugara chete wakakombwa nemajoki ndo anokutaurira kuti mhandara hadziwanikwe. Kunotori nedzimwe nzvimbo dzekuti murume ane vana vasikana 5 vese vanorohwa vari mhandara. Zvichiri kuitika izvozvo anywhere in the world. Zvichiri kuitika izvozvo. To those who were wasted, do not try to fight the word of God. Humble yourself before God, and God will heal you. You are wounded, you need help. Fighting the word of God is not going to make you better.
Yes.
Our own boys can marry you if they decide to do that. But you are going to need a lot of help. To our marriages, to our couples, you are now in a quandary. You don't know what to do. You don't want to find a virgin to have a firstborn. But what I've said here is bothering you. You got married, but your wife was not pure. You need help. You need help. If you have a child outside your marriage with someone who took away your strength and made you a man, that is your firstborn. Wherever that child is, go and bring that child home. Tell your wife what you did. You didn't cheat on this wife, especially if she is not a virgin. You didn't cheat on her. That's the truth.
Yes.
Pastor Watiwo, hatisi kutendea munotsvaga vamwe vakadzi muberekerwe mafestival. Asi hatisi kuda kuencourage kuzviita izvo. Chingogara ine madzimai enyaya. Iwewewo musi wawakatora mukadzi wanga usingazvizive kuti haakwanisi kukupa festival. Watozviziva nhasi. Don't blame her on your ignorance. You married this woman because you loved her. You didn't know how to get a proper firstborn indeed. You only learned it now.
Yes.
So you can't say, I want to find a virgin because I want to look for a firstborn. If you knew this message, you could have found a virgin and married a firstborn. You can't fight with your wife about this now. God will help you to live in this marriage in the most godly manner possible. There are things you can't correct now. Live like that. But if a man feels that he wants to do things right, the doctrine of Christ cannot make this woman a sinner. Because if this man was holding on to something sinful, which God requires him to put it down, we were going to ask him to put it down. What if this man has got something that he hasn't gotten, which is right? Why should we say, don't get it? Saka kana yana yekuwana chiro chiri right, sei muchida kuti chiti chakashata nekuda kwekuti nyika inozoti nyika ine standard ipiko. The world has no right to criticize the way of God. God is righteous, the world is wicked. The world has no standard to measure us on because it lives in the most sinful ways ever possible.